Wood flooring is a beautifully natural choice designed to perform and age gracefully over a lifetime, completely changing the look and feel of your interior and bringing a wonderful sense of nature into your home. We have nearly 100 floors, but there are 4 basic types: solid wood, engineered wood, bamboo and laminate. Solid wood is made from a single piece of timber and features mixed plank lengths for a truly classic look. Often the smartest choice, engineered wood offers excellent stability and is suitable for underfloor heating. Bamboo makes an amazing floor with impressive strength, eco-credentials and an exotic feel. Laminate floors are scratch-resistant, easy to clean and great for children or pets. To discover more about choosing your flooring, head to our website.